you there. Welcome back to A's Learning Journey. I have a topic for you. Oopsie. Mom, can you please give me a tissue, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Whoa, look at this. See how the tissue soaks up the water. It's wonderful, right? But here arises the question, how does this tissue soak up the water? To answer that, we'll do a little experiment. Come on, let's go! Tada! Here are the things we need for experiment. Odd number of glasses, food colors and a paper towel. But we'll need to fold the paper towels like this. Let's start the experiment. We need to fill the alternate glasses with water. Let's add the food color now. The food colors are all ready. It's time to add up paper towels. But remember to fold them into a V shape, like this. Let's put in paper towels. Okay. And observe how the water is working. Let's come back in some time and see how they've turned out. You can see how the water is working. Wow, it's so mesmerizing and interesting. You can see how the empty glass is filled. This glass is green. That's because since blue and yellow together makes green, this glass is green. And this glass is orange because red and yellow makes orange. Cool, right? Very interesting too. This method is called as capillary action. What is capillary action? It is the ability of a liquid to flow through a narrow space without any assistance, or even the opposition to external forces like gravity. Cool. See how the water level is rising in the glass. So, paper towels are made of very small fibers that have gaps between them. Water gets pulled into these gaps with the help of capillary action. The same phenomenon is used when the trees suck water from the ground. We'll also see this method in another small experiment. The experiment shows how the trees suck water from their roots. You will need a cabbage, 3 glasses of water. Don't forget to add food colors. This experiment takes a long time. Woohoo! This is how the cabbage leaves look after 10 hours. See how the colored water has moved into the cabbage leaves. That's a fantastic phenomenon. If you leave it for 2 or 3 days, the color will come even brighter and more visible. There's another phenomenon that works same as capillary action. It's called as siphoning phenomenon. Do you know how it works? Let me show you how this works. Okay, so assume this as a big drum filled with water and this an empty bucket. How are you going to fill the empty bucket? Yes, here comes a pipe. Ask your mom and dad if they've done this method when they were young, because my mom did it when she was young too. Okay, so take one end of the tube and put it in the glass filled with water. Then suck. Once the water starts flowing in the pipe, put it in the bucket. Then the bucket will fill up. See how the water is flowing. This is same as capillary action too. Hope you have enjoyed all 3 experiments now and try it at home.